Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, we, living entities, we are part and parcel of Krishna. Just like fire and the small fragments of fire, sparks, our position is like that. Or the sun and the small particles of shining elements combined together becomes the sunshine. The sunshine which we daily see, it is not a homogeneous mixture. There is molecules, very small shining particle. So we are like that. It's very small. As there are atoms, material atoms, nobody can count. Similarly, we are atomic sparks of God. How many we are, there is no counting. Asankha. Asankha means you cannot count. So many living entities. So we are very small particles. And we have come here in this material world, just like the Europeans especially. They go to other countries for colonizing, to use the material resources for their sense gratification. The America was discovered and the Europeans went there. The idea was to go there, and now they are trying to go to the moon planet to find out if there is any convenience. This is the tendency of the conditioned soul. So they have come to this material world. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhoga vancha kare. Meaning Purusha is bhokta. Bhokta. Krishna is actually bhokta. Bhoktaram jaggata. So we are imitating Krishna. This is our position. Everyone is trying to become Krishna. The Mayavadis, although they have undergone penances, austerities, very strictly they follow the principles of spiritual life, but because they are under Maya, at the end they are thinking that I am God, Purusha. The same disease, Purusha. Purusha means Bhokta. That I am Krishna, Bhoktaram Jagata. And even after advancing so much by austerities, penances, following regulatory principles, the Maya is so strong that still he is under this impression that I am Purusha. Not only ordinary Purusha, but the Supreme Purusha. As Krishna is described in the Bhagavad-gita. Parabrahma parang dhamam pavitram paramam bhavan purusham sasata. You are Purusha. So, Maya is so strong that after being kicked so many lives, life after life, still he is thinking, I am Purusha, I am Indra. This is the disease. Therefore here it is said that Esha prakriti sangena purushasya viparjaya. His material life began from this conception that I am Purusha, I am Indra. And because he cannot give up this idea that I am Indra, life after life is viparjaya, reverse condition. Reverse condition means because the living entity is part and parcel of God, and God is Satchidananda Vigraha. So we are also Satchidananda Vigraha, a small Satchidananda Vigraha. But our position is Prakriti, not Purusha. Both of them, there's a Radha and Krishna, they are of the same quality. Radha, Krishna, Pranaya, Vikriti, Alladini, Shakti. They are one. But still, Radha is Prakriti and Krishna is Purusha. Similarly, we are, although part and parcel of Krishna, but we are Prakriti and Krishna is Purusha. So by falsely, when you think of becoming Purusha, this is called Maya or Viparya. That is stated here. Evang Prakriti Sangena Purusasya Viparya. Viparya means he is meant for actually enjoy with the Purusha. When the Purusha and Prakriti, male and female enjoy, they get the same pleasure. But one is Purusha, one is Prakriti. Similarly, Krishna is Purusha and we are Prakriti. If we enjoy Krishna, then the Ananda, Satchidananda is there. That we have forgotten. We want to be Purusha. So, somehow or other, this condition has come into existence. A false conception of becoming Purusha, enjoy. Then, what is the result? The result is that we are trying to be enjoyed, life after life, but we are being enjoyed. We are not enjoyed. We are simply struggling to become enjoyed. This is our position. So, how you can stop this struggling and come to your original position? That is stated here. Sayava nachirat isasangat viliyate. This false conception of life, that I am Purusha, it can be vanquished completely. How? Isasanga. By association with God. Isa. Isa means the supreme controller. Isasanga. So where is Isa? I cannot see Isa. I cannot see, even Krishna is Isa, the Supreme, but I cannot see. Now Krishna is there. You are blind. Why don't you see? Therefore you cannot see. So, you have to open your eyes, not close. That is the business of Guru. The Guru opens the eyes. Ajnana timirandhasya jnananjana salakaya chakshur militam jena tasmai sri gurave. Now how Krishna opens the eyes? By jnananjana salakaya. Just like in the darkness we cannot see anything. But if there is matches or candle, the candle is ignited, then we can see. Similarly, Guru's business is to open the eyes. To open the eyes means to give him knowledge that you are not Purusha, you are Prakriti. Change your views. That is Krishna consciousness.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna